we should come back down. I always signal you when I'm feeling low. I always think of you. I always think of you. Maybe we could figure it out. I never.
Erwin, when you came into my life, it wasn't the most ideal time. Everything felt like it was falling apart. I was grieving the sudden passing of my Ate Jack. I was tired, lost, and worried. But I prayed to God right here in this very church and said, Jesus, if it's meant to be, I know you will give me what's best for me.
Baby, I will bleed for you. Baby, I will bleed for you. Baby, I will bleed for you. Maybe we should come back down. I don't see you when I'm feeling low. I'd always think of you. I'd always think of you.
Hi, Verge. Hi, love. My partner now, my wife. Just to share to everyone, never talaga ako nagsulat ng anything endearing letter to anyone. Even to my parents. Never. But look at me now, binabasa tong letter na ginawa ko sa'yo. So, ikaw din ang nanalo. Dami kong nakilala, pero iba ka talaga. Ikaw yung match na hindi ko in-expect. Ikaw pala yung sagot sa matagal ko ng tanong. Yung taong makakasama ko ng totoo, no filters, no perfect angles. Natural lang. Kung paano ka, paano ako, wala. Yun tayo.
Ang motto namin, parang accepted namin na hindi lahat magagawa. Walang perfect, ganon. Pero yung imperfection na yun ang magiging perfect. Kumbaga.
Cancel na. Pero guys, thank you sa pagpunta. Alam ko yung effort, yung hassle, like mag-prepare ng gamit, ng damit. Yun. Thank you guys. Walang KJ Walang KJ. Laban tayo mamaya. Thank you. Ngayon alam ko na kung bakit hindi ako nakapagsulat noon. Dahil nakalaan pala ang una't huling sulat na gagawin ko. Para lamang sa'yo, mahal. I love you.
I love you. I love you.
Virginie, do you take Erwin Ray here present for your lawful husband according to the rite of our Holy Mother, the Church?
I do.
Do you give yourself to him as his wife?
I do.
Do you accept him as your lawful husband?
I do.
I will thank the Lord every single day for giving you
We will never lose our spark. We will always be best friends and partners in this time. Ngayon ko talaga naiintindihan ang ibig sabihin ng love is patient, love is kind. Kasi ikaw yun. Mahabang pasensya, laging maunawain, at laging andyan kahit mahirap. Yun ang tunay na pagmamahal. At naniniwala ako, galing yan kay Lord.
Oh, Erwin, this is the day. This is the day na pinaka-iintay-intay mo. Be a good husband as you have been a good son to me.
Wow.
Okay, group hug, Erwin! Love you!
Thank you.
Love you guys so much. Thank you for raising me for 35 years. Thank you. From this day forward, I am yours. My pure heart na sinasabi mong gustong-gusto mo about me will forever be yours. I love you, Erwin, and I choose you today and every day after.
Become of me now.
Hi my love, sobrang nahirapan akong makita tong gift na to, yung something funny. Sana magustuhan mo. Hope you like it. See ya.
Ay, ang dami namang regalo. Ito pa ako kami, gama.
Before kasi napansin ko, pag nakikita mo tong item na to, talagang napapatitig at napapahinto ka eh. So that time, wala pa akong pera, hindi ko pa mabili. Pero ngayon, meron na. Sana ma-enjoy at magamit mo. Love you.
Oh, ayan.
'Cause tonight, when we are together, you bring me to life, and my world starts to burn. Now show me how much you need to grow. My blood isn't cold no more. What else will you say?
Oh, wow! Wow! Thank you, Tita Bird. Wow! Wow! Wow!
Tonight, when we are together, you bring me to life, and my world starts to burn. 'Cause tonight, when we are together, you bring me to life, and my world starts to burn.
My love, napansin ko last time na yung during our preparations on our wedding, talagang nakita ko how you enjoyed making things na ginamit natin sa wedding. So sana, sa gift kong ito, mas lalo mo siyang ma-enjoy kasi feeling ko after ng wedding, marami nang kukontak sa'yo at magpapagawa ng mga ginawa mo sa wedding natin eh. So hopefully, itong bibigay ko sa'yo is magamit ang pakinabangan. I love you. See you at the altar.
Hello, my love! Thank you!
gift ko.
Soon